on fire.
Nana, you wanted a chef, well guess who? Home cooked meal, she will impress you. She's Nana, the saucy chef, what y'all cooking. A lot of y'all don't wanna admit it, but y'all looking. She's Nana, the saucy chef. 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 Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the saucy chef. Today I'm going to be making creamy chicken rice soup. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 5 cups of chicken broth, 1 cup of heavy cream, 2 carrots peeled and sliced thinly, 2 celery ribs sliced thinly, 1 medium onion diced, 1 cup of long grain white rice, and you want to rinse it, 1½ tablespoons of minced garlic, 1½ tablespoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of dried parsley flakes, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of dried thyme, and I have 2 chicken breasts. To a large pot over medium heat, you want to add in your 1½ tablespoons of olive oil, and you want to let that come to temperature. Now you want to add in your onion, celery, and also your carrots. And we're going to saute that for 4 to 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, we're going to add in our minced garlic, our dried thyme, and also our dried parsley flakes. You want to mix it until it's well combined. We're going to let that cook for 1 minute. Now we're going to add in our chicken broth. You can add in your black pepper and also your rice. You can go ahead and mix it until it's well combined. Now we're going to add in our chicken breast. We're going to raise our heat up and we're going to let it come to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, you want to give it a mix. And we're going to lower our heat to medium-low, and you want to cover it, and we're going to let it simmer for 25 to 30 minutes. And you want to stir every 10 minutes. Okay guys, after 25 minutes, my rice is done. So I'm going to remove my chicken breast, and we're just going to shred them. Okay guys, you're just going to take 2 forks and just shred your chicken breast. Okay guys, now we're going to add in our cup of heavy cream. You can go ahead and mix that up. And we're also going to add in our chicken. You can go ahead and mix that until it's well combined. We're going to let it cook 1 to 2 more minutes. Okay guys, after 2 minutes, you can turn off your heat. Okay guys, so here we have it, our creamy chicken rice soup. The soup is delicious, and I hope you guys give it a try. Your family will love this. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?
Thank you for following me.
Y'all hungry yet?